yung strap, no? Ang dami niyang butas. Feeling ko, no? Babahayan siya ng libag.
Hey guys, this is our third order from Sanda Watch. This time pumili naman tayo ng medyo sporty, no? So far happy tayo dun sa first two purchases natin. Okay pa rin ang performance nila, yung comfort for us, no? 10/10 since casual Casio user tayo as far as I can remember. So yung comfort sa Casio, yung soft silicone strap niya, okay siya. So what we have here is parang pang marathon siya or pang trekking or pang adventure na watch from Sanda, no? First and foremost, hindi ako endorser ng Sanda, kaya lang I really appreciate value, no? Could be expensive, it could be cheap, but if you see value on something, kahit na mura lang siya, so syempre flex natin yan. Malay mo marami ring magka-interest, okay? So this watch, it comes in a simple package, no? Naka-plastic siya, naka-foam. So again, when you order the watch, no, wala siyang box, wala siyang tin can watch case, no. If you want, you have to order it from them separately at around 140 to 190 pesos. So for me, parang hindi na sulit yung relos lang bilhin mo. So what you'll get is the watch, naka balot siya in plastic and insulated or air pack na mga packages as you see here. So sa akin wala naman akong reklamo kasi I always receive other things like this, no, they are in good condition, no, as long as the seller is willing to pack them appropriately and securely, which is yun naman yung case sa Sanda, na based on the information nila is they are shipped from China. So that's one of the things that keeps this watch affordable. Siyempre yung packaging nila, when they ship it, they lower the cost, kaya ganito yung matatanggap natin. But nonetheless, yung function nila, no, okay naman. So yung mga function buttons nila usually apat eh. So far dun sa mga nabibili ko, no, there's yung upper left, yung light, then there's the mode, then on the right side nandun yung start, stop, and then yung reset. So very basic dun sa mga watches nila, very universal or stereotype yung instructions sa matatanggap natin. So itong watch na to, meron siyang north, south, west and east na orientation indicated sa kanya. Hindi ko lang kung paano gamitin kasi hindi naman rotating yung bezel niya. Yung illumination niya clear, no? At the same time yung light niya very acceptable naman, yung illuminance, although mapapansin natin sa isang side lang siya nang gagaling, no? Which is very nice. I always choose the black on black na watch ng Sanda, except the second purchase, no, which is red. I gave it to my son, favorite color niya red. So maybe sooner we'll try other colors, but for now, and since the beginning of time, pag racing watches or yung ganito mga watch similar sa mga Casio, no, I always choose black. Alam niyo guys, ang biggest concern ko lang dito is yung strap, no. Ang dami niyang butas, feeling ko, no, babahayan siya ng libag pag matagal-tagal mo na siyang ginagamit. And of course, this watch is designed for the outdoors, not extreme but outdoors. So kailangan mo mag-prepare ng malambot na toothbrush para sipilin. Guys, happy naman ako sa third purchase ko ng Sanda. Maganda siya, mura, affordable. So until next time, we're looking forward to purchase another watch from Sanda. Thank you.